tonight. Light freezing rain through daybreak may also result in a light glaze of ice along the escarpment and higher terrain. A band of precipitation associated with the Arctic front will sweep through the area tonight, changing over to a brief period of snow across the mountains and foothills along north of I-40. Dangerously cold air will quickly spill into the area by Friday morning with gusty winds and sub-zero wind chills. Temperatures will gradually warm late this weekend into next week with dry weather continuing. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. WNG538 broadcasting from a tower on Grandmother Mountain, near Lincoln, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.450 MHz. This transmitter is serving the northern foothills and northern mountains of North Carolina. The current time is 1:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are the 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for western North Carolina on Thursday, December 22nd. At the Hickory Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 43 degrees, the dew point 42, and the relative humidity 97%. The wind was north of 3 miles an hour.
No way. This is actually going through. No fucking way. It's actually relaying. They're actually doing it.
Here is a weather statement for the following areas in North Carolina. High wind warning from 3 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Wind advisory now in effect from 7 p.m. Friday to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Wind warning. 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. For the wind advisory, west winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where Avery, Yancey, and Mitchell counties. Wind for the high wind warning from 3 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. For the wind advisory from 7 p.m. Friday to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. These are the ones you must drive.
They actually relayed it. Watch, it's not going to come through because it was too damn quiet. I guess not.
Wind warning in effect from 3 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Wind advisory now in effect from 7 p.m. Friday to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? For the high wind warning, west winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. For the wind advisory, west winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Avery, Yancey, and Mitchell counties. When? For the high wind warning from 3 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. For the wind advisory from 7 p.m. Friday to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.